This is the first documented footage of the complex. So I guess I kind of feel kind of special to be the one recording this. I was going to send it a quick drywall and carpet sample. So hopefully that goes well.
After taking out a square with the dimensions of 0.5 meters by 0.5 meters from the wall, it revealed standard wooden studs behind the wall with insulation in between each stud, primarily composed of fiberglass. After taking out a small section of fiberglass from the wall, we noticed that there was sheathing composed of plywood. Further analysis of the sheathing will be continued later on. As for the wall itself, it was mainly composed of gypsum board, with 90% of the wall being made up of material, which is certainly very standard. 9% of the wallpaper was composed of paper facers, which is also quite common. We noticed a slight quantity of asbestos was present in the wall. Approximately 0.32% of the wall was composed of asbestos, which is strange regarding that asbestos was phased out in the use of drywall in the late 1970s. The rest of the wall itself was approximately 0.68% of the actual wallpaper. From this analysis of the drywall, we've concluded that it likely originates from a time before 1978. We took out a 0.5 by 0.5 meter square from the carpet as well as the wall. After the carpet was torn, it revealed standard concrete material lining the bottom. To test if it was the ground floor, an acoustic test was performed. The result of this test proved that there was in fact multiple floors to this complex. As for the carpet itself, its composition was primarily nylon, polyester, wool, and other fibers. The carpet was composed of about 45% nylon, which is in fact around 1% less than standard office carpet. The count of polyester was also off by 1%, instead being 31% rather than the standard 30%. The rest of the carpet was standard, with the other 20% being composed of 10% wool and 10% other fibers such as acrylic and polypropylene. From this analysis of the drywall, it is difficult to date, but it seems to be standard